How to keep tropical fish from breeding. Tropical fish can breed like rabbits. While it might look like a good thing, it isn't for many reasons. The tank can become crowded, resulting in a wide range of issues. You will also be spending more time cleaning the tank and changing its filter. More fish in the tank, more mess to clean up. Fortunately, there are easy yet effective ways of preventing your tropical fish from breeding. Before having more information about how to keep tropical fish from breeding, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. Place either male or female fish. It takes a male and female to breed, and so it makes sense not to put them together in one tank. You will be able to pick either a male or female fish to put in an aquarium, but not both sexes. Your choice will depend on whether a male fish or a female fish has the appearance you want. Place different fish species. Fish aren't known to interbreed, breed with another species, so it also makes sense to put different fish species in your tank. You should also consider getting solitary fish, so there's no risk of it becoming lonely in its tank. If you're getting two of the same schooling species, check that they have the same gender. Change the tank conditions. Fish usually need specific tank conditions to breed, said conditions of which include water temperature, pH balance, and hardness, as well as light level and amount of space. If you know these conditions, then you can change the tank conditions to make it more uncomfortable for the fish to breed. Keep in mind that the keywords here are uncomfortable for breeding, since you don't want to kill the fish by giving them less than optimal conditions to live. Choose egg-laying fish. Live-bearing fish aren't ideal for breeding prevention because their offspring can survive even in difficult tank conditions. Not to mention that they can survive in a wide range of tank environment. In contrast, egg-laying fish typically require specific tank conditions for breeding purposes, so much so that even a single, off, condition will cause them to skip breeding. What are the most common live-bearing fish to avoid in a tank then? Examples include guppies, mollies, and platies. Place a predator fish. We have to emphasize that placing a predator fish for population control can be tricky, if not risky. The predator fish may well eat nearly every other fish in the tank, and you're left with an aquatic no-fish environment. How to keep tropical fish from breeding. Conclusion. Fish as pets are, indeed, relaxing after a long day at work, but you don't want to see them being squeezed into a small tank, like sardines in a can. Give them the space they need by preventing their overpopulation. For more information about how to keep tropical fish from breeding, visit our website yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.